Let's create these beautiful succulent leaf arrangements for propagation. We start with a nice sized planter bowl in our succulent leaves. Then we create our growing mix. I'm using a Miracle-Gro potting mix, but honestly most any will do. Just pour that right into the bowl and level it out. Then I add in Perlite for good drainage, which is absolutely necessary when dealing with succulents. And once the planting mix is ready to go, then we start placing our succulent leaves. Doing arrangements like this is much more fun than just randomly placing them in a growing medium. It's not only functional for succulent propagation, but I really like placing them in the backyard for added decor. You can really get creative with the arrangement and do any kind of pattern you like. Generally, I like to start with the smaller leaves on the outside and then work my way in towards the larger ones. And once your arrangement is done, give it a very light mist of water. And there is the first arrangement. Just a wonderful visual treat. Now we're gonna move on to the next bowl, which is actually significantly larger. I also like using varying leaf colors in these arrangements, just for some nice contrast. And over a period of a few weeks, you're gonna notice that the little leaves will start to begin sprouting, and my kids actually love watching the process. And again, give it a little mist of water when you're done. And ideally, you'll want to set them in a dappled light condition in the yard. Just beautiful. Now, professionally, there are more effective ways of propagation, especially when doing it on a large production scale. But this is always fun for me to do at home, and they really do create a nice conversation piece. Now, please take a quick minute to like and subscribe if you so desire. I'll see you on the next one. Stay rooted.